Too many tasks and still missing deadlines? Your work is scattered everywhere. Let's fix this using one simple Excel. You start your day with a plan, but deadlines get missed before you even realize it. Follow-ups slip through the cracks, and tasks keep piling up without clarity. What if you could manage all your tasks, deadlines, and follow-ups in one simple Excel file?
Let's start with a simple structure. Add your task name, assign an owner, set start and end dates, and track the status. That's the foundation of your entire system. Now, instead of typing the status manually every time, let's make it faster and error-free using a drop-down list. Go to the Data tab, click on Data Validation, and select List. Then enter values like Pending, In Progress, and Completed. Click OK. And now you can choose the status instantly from a drop-down. This saves time and keeps your data clean and consistent. Let's make this tracker visually powerful by using conditional formatting. Select your entire data, then go to Conditional Formatting, click on New Rule, and choose Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Now let's start with the completed status. Select the first status cell, remove the dollar before the row number, and enter the formula as shown. Now go to Format, choose green color for completed tasks, and click OK. Next, repeat the same steps. Go to Conditional Formatting, click on New Rule, and select the formula option again. Now enter the formula for In Progress. Similar to completed, just change the status text. Then choose yellow color to represent tasks that are in progress and click OK. Now again, go to Conditional Formatting, click on New Rule, and select the formula option for pending tasks. Now this rule is slightly different. Here we are not just checking the status, but also comparing the end date with today's date. So enter the formula exactly as shown to identify tasks that are pending and overdue. Now go to Format, choose red color for overdue tasks, and click OK. Now let's see how this works. Just change the status using the drop-down and notice how the colors update instantly. This way you can understand your task status at a glance. No need to read everything. Just look at colors. If this is helping you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Excel Simplified Insights for more practical Excel projects. See the completely filled data, how it looks. Now let's automate deadline tracking by adding a new column called Deadline Status. Now let's see how to track the deadline status using an if formula. Enter this formula as shown to compare today's date with the end date. If today's date is greater than the end date, it will automatically show overdue. Otherwise, it will display on track. Now let's make this more visual using conditional formatting. Just like we did earlier for completed and in progress, go to Conditional Formatting, click on New Rule, and select Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Now write the rule as shown for overdue tasks and choose a gold color to highlight them. Next, create another rule for on track and select a blue color for better visibility. This way you can instantly identify which tasks are overdue and which are on track just by looking at the colors. If this is helping you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Excel Simplified Insights for more practical Excel projects. Now let's start building our dashboard. First, add a new sheet and rename it as Dashboard. Before creating the dashboard, we'll first prepare a backend table, which will help us link all the data dynamically. Now let's create a simple backend table with two columns: metric and value. Under metrics, enter total tasks, pending tasks, completed tasks, and in progress tasks. Now let's calculate each value using formulas. For total tasks, use the COUNTIF function to count all task entries from the task data table. Next, for pending, completed, and in progress tasks, use the COUNTIF function with reference to the status column in the task data table. Make sure to use proper references so that whenever new data is added, these values update automatically. Finally, format the table neatly so it's easy to read and ready to be linked to the dashboard. Now let's design our dashboard using KPI cards. First, go to the View tab and remove the grid lines to get a clean dashboard look. Next, go to Home, then Insert, and choose a rounded rectangle shape. Now resize the card and format the color, borders, and styling as per your design. Now let's link this KPI card to our backend data. Select the shape, go to the formula bar, and link it to the respective value cell. Once linked, format the number, increase the font size, and make it bold so it stands out clearly on the dashboard. Now let's add the header text for this card. Go to Insert, select Text Box, and place it inside the card. Now type the heading, for example, Total Tasks. Next, remove the outline, adjust the font size, make it bold, and align it properly. Choose a suitable font color so it looks clean and readable. You can now duplicate this card and repeat the same steps for other KPIs like completed, pending, and in progress. Additionally, this step is optional, but it makes your dashboard look more premium. Go to Insert, select Icons, and choose relevant icons for each KPI. Now place them properly, resize them, and adjust colors if needed. This small addition makes your dashboard more visual and much more professional. If this is helping you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Excel Simplified Insights for more practical Excel projects. Comment below, we'll share you the complete dashboard Excel. This is how the final KPI cards looks. You can change colors as per your requirement. Now let's add some charts to give our dashboard a more premium look. Use the backend table as the reference for creating the charts. So whenever the task data is updated, the dashboard updates automatically. Select the table, go to Insert, and choose a pie chart. Now copy this chart to the dashboard, resize it properly, and rename it as Task Summary. Then format it as needed to make it clean and easy to understand. Now add data labels or call-out points for easy reference. And adjust the chart formatting based on your design. Next, select the same table again and insert a column chart. Copy it to the dashboard, resize it, and rename it as Task Summary. Add data labels for better clarity and format it to match your dashboard design. And there you go, your dynamic Excel dashboard is ready to use. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Excel Simplified Insights. This is Raghuvardhan, helping you simplify Excel and amplify your insights. Download the template from the description and start managing your work smarter today. Excel Simplified Insights. Simplify Excel, amplify insights.